Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to drill down into the data in a pivot table. So ABC Fish has sold this many pounds, this many sales, but say I want to know what makes up the detail of the sales. I can simply double click on the cell here and it creates a new sheet here, and I'll just highlight all of this and resize. And it comes up with only the ABC Fish that is in the sales tab here, and just those lines alone. And so even from here, if this doesn't contain all the information we want, we can simply highlight it and then insert a new pivot table. And let's just say we want ABC Fish by the date. So we drag the date down here and drag the pounds over here, and we can see that we have 256 pounds sold to ABC Fish in June and 1,006 in July. And we can even expand these to see on what dates we sold them. We can add more detail, like the fish. I'll have to resize this. Drag the fish down here, and then we can see what date we sold what fish. And that's how you drill down into information in a pivot table. Thank you for watching.